Okay, look, I get it. You think you should be posting everywhere: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, all of the places, right? I get it because I am you. But here's the thing. You've spread yourself too thin and now you just don't want to even post anywhere. I get that too. But here's the real problem. You don't actually have a content issue. You have a focus issue. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips that I personally use to create content consistently and continuously build my audience and get sales for my business. So here's the thing. The fastest way to grow is not to actually be everywhere. It's to be consistent somewhere. These 3 tips are what I really personally use to get ahead in creating my content and actually having it mean something to the audience that I'm trying to reach. So let's just get right into it. So tip number 1, pick 1 to 2 platforms and commit to them. If you've already built an audience on Instagram, go to Instagram where your audience already is. And if you want to build an audience on YouTube, that's great. Go there. But pick 2 platforms at the most and commit to them. And you can already lessen the overwhelm and come to the realization that you don't have to be everywhere to reach your audience. So here's some guidance on what you can expect out of each platform. YouTube, which I absolutely love for several reasons, is where you're going to create long form content, and that's where you're going to go for long-term growth and search. YouTube is a search engine, and people that are looking for solutions to problems are going to YouTube. And it's also excellent for creating that long form content that you can break down later on into smaller pieces of content for another platform. Facebook and LinkedIn, they're based on relationships and trust. LinkedIn is where more of our business counterparts will be hanging out, and Facebook is where probably a lot of you are hanging out as well, especially the older generations and people that have been on social media forever. Facebook is going to be a place for you. So Instagram is really great for visibility. You can get in front of a lot of people quickly. Now, just because you're getting in front of more people doesn't necessarily mean you're getting in front of the right people. So keep that in mind as you're picking your platforms. Tip number 2, use tools to make it easy, not complicated. I'm actually going to share a few tips with you and platforms that I use to help create my content, makes it easier for me, that I've written down here. I love to use Opus clips when I make my long form content like this video. I will put it into Opus clips and it will break it down into reels and short form videos for me. And I can caption them. I can get descriptions for them. I can get the transcripts for them. So it gives me a lot of leverage as far as additional content goes. I also love using Descript, which I'm actually recording in right now. I am not sponsored, by the way, from any of these platforms, but if you're out there listening, I am definitely open to that. So Descript is great because I can record in it, I can break content down in it, I can do text-based editing, which is honestly easier for some formats for me, and I love it. There's a lot of options, and Descript is constantly updating the platform, so you can do more with it. And I love using Later for social media management. I absolutely need something, a third party where I can schedule content, because I cannot just upload content on the fly all the time because I've got client work. I've got a radio show that I'm a part of. I've got a podcast to run and a business to run and other things that I need to do in my life that I cannot constantly just be posting on social media all the time. So something like Later helps me schedule that out, helps me understand when the best times to post are, helps suggest captions and content for me. So it's really like a social media assistant, and I need help with that, to be completely honest. So another platform that I love using and that I actually created is called Broken Record, and I will include the link for that in the description to this video below. It is a place, it's an app that I created where you can post your long form content in the search bar, hit generate, so one click of a button, and it will break it down into a blog post, an email newsletter, 5 LinkedIn captions, 5 Instagram captions, 5 Facebook captions, all of the things so that you can continuously use your content in other places. And it does it, like I said, in the click of a button. So I will, if you're interested in that, I will include the link for that below. It is free, so all you need to do is enter your email and off to the races. So tip number 3, posting consistently. And here's the thing. Posting 2 to 3 times per week for a year is way better and going to get you better results than posting every single day for 2 weeks. Let that sink in. The more you can be consistent with your content, the more platforms will recognize and start to rely on you for that content, and so will your audience. If your audience doesn't realize that they can rely on you, that means they lose trust. And trust is one of those factors that absolutely factors into whether or not they are buying from you or continuing to learn from you or watching your content or following you even. So that consistency over the long term is way more beneficial to you than posting every single day for 2 weeks. So posting every day, not the strategy. Posting 2 to 3 times a week for a year is going to give you way better results. So when I stopped trying to be everywhere, I realized that things really got easier and I was more willing to create the content. I was actually more excited to create the content, and I had a little bit of a renewed purpose inside of everything that I'm doing to show up for you guys and help you learn and understand, and whatever I gain from doing this, I can then share with you, and I'm excited to do it. And I want that for you. So understand that you don't actually need to be doing more. You really need to be doing less, but you need to be doing it better. So I would love to know, tell me in the comments, how many platforms are you actually trying to post to right now? Are you trying to be everywhere on all of the platforms? And are you taking the content that you make for one platform? Are you posting that same exact content across all of the platforms? So that's a bonus question for you. But let me know. Are you posting everywhere? Are you trying to post everywhere? Do you even know where you need to be posting? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. I know this one was short and sweet today, but I really just wanted to get these 3 tips over to you so that you can start feeling better about your own content journey, because I get it. I'm there. I am an entrepreneur. I've got a full life, and I know you do too. And the more that we can systemize and automate things and have things work better for us in the long run, rather than trying to pull our hair out and live like there's fire under us all the time, is going to be way more sustainable in the long run. And yeah, I just want to see you guys succeed. And I want that for all of us, because there's room for everyone here. So if you liked what you saw today, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend. I always say at the end of my podcast, undoubtedly, you know someone that needs to hear this message too. But in reality, if you are watching this video and you made it this far, you definitely know someone else that needs to hear it too. So share this with them. And thanks so much for being here. Again, the link to my app, Broken Record, to help you create content super quickly in the click of a button the link will be in the description below. So thanks so much for being here, and I'll catch you on the next one.